Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group. Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles. Dolphin. Dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Whale. Whales are widely distributed. Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse